As a trustee and in leadership, I think it's really, really important to see what is out there. And it's just really broadened our outlook on things today.
One of the great things of coming today is being able to see all the technical options, lighting and sound, being able to see lots of kits and how it interacts, and even new technologies, new products that aren't even on the market yet, has been quite useful.
I don't think I've been in such an environment before where I got to see different things.
To actually touch things and ask questions about the interfaces, the inputs, the outputs, how a person can interact with that bit of kit, that's been really useful.
It's made me realise that it's not all about the tech, but it's about the skill behind it. It's about using what you've got and having the right training.
After getting these things, you need to be properly trained so that you can use them to their full capacity. The most impressive thing I've seen here is how much you guys do, manufacturing, renting out gigs. I think it gives me a clearer picture of the amount of impact Adlib makes across the country and across the world.
It's really important to be able to ask questions where you feel that you can trust the answers coming back, that you've got a bit of faith in the person that you're talking to on that technical aspect.
I think the degree of expertise here today has been second to none, and the guys' way of communicating that to us has been really, really valuable.
There were a lot of new things I learned today. I believe would improve the services that we provide here.
I think any church will benefit from having the support and the knowledge and the training as well as the gear. Your gear is important, but unless you know how to use it, then it's a waste of time and money. The sky is the limit.